Hey, what's up, guys? This is ProWolfTrader. You're watching live stream in New York session. Welcome back. Let's begin our trading session. As I left in Tokyo session, things are going smoothly. So we will continue where we left from, and we will continue the analysis, and we will go back to back on everything. Right now, the US stock market is dropping, Bitcoin is dropping, crude oil is rising, dollar index is rising. Why is that? Because suddenly Bank of Japan September rate hike signal led the US to join the intervention. US have to do intervention, they have to hike the rate in order to accumulate for the BOJ rate hike. Anyways, let's start your trading day. How is everybody doing? Let me set up so I can do it everything precisely. What's up, Jen? So yeah, let's see. He can do. Wait a second. My voice should be clear now. No, I'm not trying to scream actually. It should be low, but it's okay now. So here we have divergence still kicking in. Let's go on a 4 hourly. Apparently we took this trade in Friday New York session. Plus we took a trade in we reloaded around Tokyo session when the price initially hit our take profit. Let me show you where on a 30-minute time frame. Let's just on a 1 hour time frame. When the price dropped down to 40.20, we took the profit again. It went up. We reloaded. Initially, those trades were still running, but we reloaded some more trades at 43.55 and 43.60. This account over here, I also took some trades, but I let this running because I don't have any plans to close this. It's running smoothly also because of the sake of the stream. I wanted to show that I'm still in this trade. This is why I did not close and opened at 43.55.60, although I had the opportunity. Just for the sake of keeping it transparent, I'm still in this trade and I will be till we hit our take profit 42.74 and onwards. So here we are, and everything is running smoothly. If you're watching the stream for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today the market will push down. There are lots of things that are happening in the back. The war in Iran, between Iran and US, and BOJ rate hike, oil tanker getting hit by IRGC in its Strait of Hormuz, and Houthis and Saudis escalation. Everything will be covered. So hit the like button, guys. Come on, today's target is 100 likes, and sooner or later we will get there. So it is what it is. After all, it is what it is. And lots of deals going on right now. Yeah, I'm just waiting for everybody to get on board. If I and there are majority of the people who watch the stream, but they don't participate in the chat. So how will I give away? How will I know who's watching the stream? How will I decide? Because once we hit, I think today we will hit 2,000 subscribers. As soon as that happens, I will give away one free premium membership. So how will I know who should I give it to? So please be attentive and be active on chat, because if you are active on chat, I will put your name in the wheel of the spin, and once I announce we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away, and it's gonna be hallelujah profit and access. So it is what it is. I'm pretty much waiting for the price to drop patience is required a lot, but I'm at the same time trading on S&P 500, Nasdaq. I'm doing futures trading, so opening contracts over there on shorts, plus crude oil, plus BTC short. Everything is running smoothly. If you want to be part of this smooth criminal trading group, join me on Discord, message me on Telegram. I'll set up the premium for you. There's a 14% off, plus batch 15 is starting 1st September. So you have really short time left. Please trust me, invest some money in yourself, or if you don't want to, just watch the stream. There's something for everybody, and we are full on board. We are seeing some kind of a push down, drop down, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Everybody is back. Everybody is watching the stream. देखो भाई मुझे नहीं पता कौन देख रहा है. I need to know where the majority of the audience is watching from, so I can either talk in English or Urdu if you are watching. So I need to know the medium of language, or if you want I can keep it. Let's keep it in English till I know where you guys from. Anyways, so let's do a quick news coverage of what happened in the last 24 hours, and then how we will utilize that knowledge and align with it our trading. Hold on a second. Wait a second. And sooner or later we will be in a really nice legit area. Yep, exactly. This is what I was waiting for. Hold on a second. So, yeah. Um, Let it run. So, hopefully, we see a more drop within data second. I'm doing the analysis. Yeah, price is expected to drop. Let me do a forecast of what happened on the weekend and how we will utilize. So, what happened was that Iran state media said that the Strait of Hormuz will not be opened following a decision or tweet by the US president. The management and the control of the waterway is in the hands of Iran, and any party that tries to bypass this will be considered a legitimate target. And this is why some of the ships which tried to cross got hit. Reports claim that Iran fired cruise missiles at oil tankers in the Strait of Hormuz. Unverified reports claims that two sets of oil tankers were seen in flames in the Strait of Hormuz, and even the water was burning. And this is what's going on, and Iran is preparing a huge attack under Moscow's with the help of Moscow. Plus, plus the Strait of Hormuz is still closed. All that bullshit on Friday that Hormuz will be open is just fake news. And now we can see what's happening. Over the last 4 hours, it appears that Iran and its proxy terrorist groups have launched a coordinated attack against US allies and a commercial. Yeah, anybody who's fighting for his freedom is a fucking terrorist, stupid ass America. Yemen's Iran aligned Houthis launched a drone attack on Saudi Aramco Jasfan refineries. Oh, they attacked on Sunday. The Saudi Energy Ministry said a fire had broken out at the refinery but was later extinguished with no injuries and authorities were dealing with it. Okay, so they did hit. This is why crude oil opened up with a gap and it is still going up. Brent crude futures and US crude markets both rise over $1 a barrel on uncertainty over the Hormuz reopening. Yemen's Iran and alleged Houthis have resumed attacks on the Red Sea port of. Okay, so they are still attacking. Other than that, uh, according to Israeli Channel 13, the US is attempting to pressure Israel to halt operations on all 4 fronts in Gaza, Lebanon, and all above Iran. As if they're gonna listen, stupid ass shit. So in all, stuff like this. They are consistent. There was a regime change attempt in Iran, if I read correctly, and even last night some drones were recovered, Chinese-made drones that Saudis were using to monitor and surveillance inside the areas of Iran. So a lot of news coming in, but no news of de-escalation. It's just escalation news. So I don't know why you wanna buy when the only thing the market wants is to drop, baby drop. Anyways, it seems like majority of the people are not watching the stream, so I'm gonna work till there are enough people so I can start my analysis. Only 4 people are watching, man. But I'm here, just watch your levels. We are going in for a roller coaster. I can switch on lower time frame if you're scalping, but trust me, 15 minutes will help you. A lot of people didn't manage to take their profits within this area, but I am on a larger note attempting to make huge profits as usual. So my first TP is 42.74. Waiting for the news. Crude oil is still going up, so all eyes on the crude market. Anyways, I'm still here, I'm working, and let me do the analysis, and I'll be opening my mic soon. By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed, you're watching for the first time, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and be part of the ProWolfTrader community. Other than that, we have a 14% off on all the premium packages till 14 August. You have Friday. All the packages are available for you. Other than that, ProWolfTrader 15 batches starting from 1st September. Last date of registration is 31st August. Currently, 2 seats have been taken. 18 spots are left. So, it's your choice. Okay, let me do some work and I'll be back. Yeah, I'm just testing out. There's an echo in the. I don't know why there's an echo. Testing. So. Yeah, so the voice is clear now apparently. Let me do one more thing to see if it's working properly. Voice testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Can you guys hear any echo? Yeah, so voice problem has been resolved. So आपकी वॉइस बहुत कम सही हो गई है भाई, सही हो गई. होता है ये मसला भाई साहब, होता ही है. कुछ दिनों बाद ये भी प्रॉब्लम ख़त्म हो जाएगी. माइक बहुत दूर रखा था ना इसलिए. अब देखो, अब दोबारा ये मसला नहीं होगा. मुझे नहीं पता कि एकदम से ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे आ जाती है. इतना एको क्यों आ रहा है? शिट, इतना एको आ रहा है यार. Hey, what's up, man? That microphone is way better. Yeah, because I changed it, bro. What's up, miss you? I see you already scalped and you're done for the day. Nice. Yeah. It's much better. Yeah. In all, we are in a better position. Now everybody is selling. Everybody is damn selling. Good for them. I'm holding a swing. I'm holding a swing. Swing, baby, swing. Your trade looks good, but I'm scared it's just lower low for higher time frame. Well, the thing is, you are looking, you are now successful in scalping, right? So now your next step is to learn how to do a swing trading. I just switched it 1 hour for the sake of 1 hour. I'm originally on a 4 hourly. There's a divergence, normal bearish divergence on 4 hour. This is why I'm holding on to this trade. This 4 hourly divergence will throw the price down, and if you're scalping, it's good for you. But I don't see any large scope for scalp. I just see a drop and just a pure drop, and everything will just keep on falling with that drop. I have nothing to worry about. If you have this trade running, you just sit back and relax. You're done for the day. And if you guys were asking what's my viewpoint and analysis or for the week, I will update that after a couple of hours, because today we have no economic news, plus a lot of news coming in from US, most likely White House. So anything they will do or say will have directly influenced the market in a way you don't want. News from Hormuz is moving the market. Pretty much every eyes is on any news regarding the oil containers getting hit. That will have a direct effect on gold and crude oil. Crude oil will rise and gold will drop. That's the game plan. How to take that game plan into the CPI is the number one question. Your target now is to determine that your trades that you open today will enter into the New York session on Wednesday CPI and you will be profitable. That's your main target. And how will you achieve that? By understanding how to hold on to today's trade. That Monday trade is gonna, it's like planting a seed that will, grow up to become a tree that will provide a shelter. If you hold this trade, if you plant a seed today, by Thursday and Friday you will have enough profit that you don't even need to open any more trades. You can scalp if you like, but that's how things are. If you are patient, that's the hardest thing to do, but it's gonna reward you a lot. It will put you in a really better position. It will reward you a lot, trust me, baby. One more time. See this significant selling pressure coming in. I said again, 43.50 and 43.30 is a key psychological area where the institutional trader will sell and the price will drop. Once we drop below that, we will drop really hard.
मतलब जब नेक्स्ट चेक जाएगा मैं समझ गई प्रॉफिट
That's how it is right now. That's how it is right now. Okay, we are just 26 subscribers away from hitting 2000 subscribers. Then I'm gonna give away one free premium membership to anybody who's watching my stream. It will be a random giveaway to only those individuals who are active on chat. I hope my voice is clear now. Is my voice clear? Let's see if the price is able to break below. The line chart is saying a whole lot of other story. The line chart is aiming for a sharp drop because of BOJ intervention too. We will see a sell side pressure. Plus, with the news, no confirmation is coming from the White House regarding the de-escalation. I don't think there's any de-escalation going on. It's just market will wreck anybody. Probably the best thing to do right now is to open a sell and let it run. If you want to scalp, you take your scalps and just be it. Otherwise, keep yourself busy, go do your work, or watch a movie if you have a remote job, do your work. If you're done with your job, watch something, keep your mind distracted, let the trade run. Because if you let this trade run and everything rolls out to be the way you plan it to be, then you are in for a ride and in for a treat. That's what it is. Microsoft's in talk with TSMC to make chips. Okay, good luck with that. Main focus is this area 4330 drops. We are way down. We are going way down. I will upload the weekly analysis after the stream on premium groups. I know you guys were asking for it, but I just waited till Monday to have a clear picture in the New York. Then I will give the analysis. Normally, you give the analysis on weekend, and the likelihood of anything happening according to that is much lower. So this is why I always wait for the market to open up on Monday, and then I give my analysis after confirmation. Guys, if you are watching the stream for the first time, please like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget that we have CPI this week, so no data on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we have CPI, Thursday we have PPI and unemployment claims, and on Friday we have retail sales, a really important week, yet another second important week for that month of August. So we'll try to maximize our profits and look at a larger picture. My aim is to make large profits. I'm not settling in for a small 200 300 scalps, although I did a scalp, but this trade I'm talking about, this one I have over here, it's a swing large one, and I have taken a 300 400 pips profit on this way down, and again when it retraces back up, I took a short again, I took a profit again over here. So pretty much already done for the day. So we'll try to utilize each and every small sideway range we are getting right now, and pretty much we are preoccupied in this zone. So that's how it is. keep in your mind that there is no point of switching into lower time frame, 5 minute, 15 minute, and buying over here, because we already have a sell pressure over here. So if you think that on a lower time frame you will just buy over here and take your profit over here, there is really less chance that it's gonna hit, because price is still trying to break below. So this is a fake move. For further confirmation, you can go on a 5 minute. You can see that over here there's a resistance. So buying over here and expecting the price to completely go up is just some classic old noob shit you can do. Price will fade. This is why I'm a higher time frame, to show you guys how the market always manipulates. Lower time frame cannot guarantee you an entry and cannot guarantee a profit. Only higher time frames will direct you towards the direction you can be comfortable with the trades. If you are on a 5 minute time frame and with a buy holding, most likely you will have anxiety attacks. How? Let me explain to you. You have 5 minute open over here and look at the structure: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then it's going to make a lower high, and then after making a lower high it's going to drop down. So if you have stop loss sitting at 43.30, 43.25, it is most likely that it will hit. Follow the pattern. Don't be a noob. Be a pro wolf, baby. This is why I stay at a higher time frame and watch this 1 hourly fade downwards, and then it's gonna keep on dropping. This is how the market manipulates you. This is the market suckers you. Don't trust me? Take your profit somewhere around this zone. Then see if it touches or not. But if it doesn't touch it, then don't blame those who say who open a buy. Open the trade on your logic. What's the logic behind this sell? We have a normal bearish divergence. That's why I have this running. Of course, price will make a upper pin for the 4 hourly and it will drop down. It has already made that, and I said again 40-30 is a really strong area where we are getting lots of sell side pressure. So given and taking that sell side pressure into consideration, that's how things are looking right now. That's how the market is moving right now. Let's go and look at a 5 minute time frame. This is exactly what I'm saying on a 5 minute. If you are on a buy, you will get wrecked. Trust me, this is not the way you trade right now. The price is consistently making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's what's happening. Look at the 15 minute. It made a lower low, lower high, and now it's making a lower low. It's making a lower high, and now that's gonna make a further lower low. Look at this trend. It's just making the sideways trends. And in New York session, the price never respects previous area, bottom. If it's drop, it's gonna drop down. See this? This is exactly what I was talking about. If the price hit 43.40, good, but don't expect the price to go above 43.50, because that's a really institutional level shit over there. 5 minute, look at this 5 minute. Price is struggling to move above this. So you will see sell side pressure. That's where things will come in. Trade is smart. Hit the like button if you're watching for the first time. Subscribe. let's see now it's rejecting. This is what I was talking about. Price will reject and it's gonna drop. So stay on a higher time frame. Lower time frame will just misguide you, and you're just gonna keep on hitting your stop loss. And as soon as the price, because price is is in a one direction. It's not that just going up bouncing. It's not bouncing. It's just dropping. Price will just keep on dropping down. It's gonna make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then now it's gonna drop down lower low. This time it goes below 43.30. It will hit 43.20 area, then come back above 23.30, then drop below 4300. It will slowly sink in throughout the day. This is why I'm on a 1 hour time frame, because 1 hour is something close enough. 4 hourly, I see a majority of you guys are still trying to understand the logic, but once the price drops below, way down, it will be already too late. But I am on a 5 minute, but to be precise, look at the price action on 1 minute. You guys don't have any idea, any clue what the market will do to you if you just keep on believing on the market. See what you trade. The first hint I can give you guys is see, watch with your eyes and trade with your eyes, right? So if you just look at 1 minute, 5 minute, you're gonna get lots of roller coasters. But for pure direction, look at 4 hourly. Okay, divergence spotted. I'm gonna sell within this area and hold the sell. Please hold the sell. Do whatever you want. Please hold the sell. Do anything and hold, but hold the sell. See, the rejection is coming. Take it easy. See this? This is what I was talking about. Exactly, this is what I was talking about. Look at how the price will sucker you up. Never fall for this fucking ass cheap ass trick. Price will look like it's gonna go up and it's not gonna go up, it's gonna come down. And it's just 7 minutes left for the New York stock to open. And if you wanna buy, you will fucking die. New York will open with a downward pressure, and the reason for that is that we got so many bad news that two oil ships has been hit in Hormuz, and no news. Trump is considering a surrender. So all of this news is piling up, and you are buying. Are you fucking crazy? it's gonna drop down 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. And now again I'm saying, if you like to understand what I'm doing, how I'm doing, nothing. I'm just simply applying pure trading logics with back testing setups, which I'm teaching in the 15 batch. Everything you see over here has been back tested several times, and we are holding on to this trade for a logical reason. There's no need to scalp when you can hold on to a swing trade which will make you large money, big money. When scalping huge at lot size, huge 1 2 lot size, a scalp is so risky. Rather than had a appropriate lot size in a specific given direction and opening a trade in a specific manner will make you more profit. Trust me, don't gamble. There's no difference between you and a gambler if you're just going on a 5 minute time frame and opening 1 or 2 lot size. It's not trading, it's gambling. And doesn't matter how many subscribers or your viewers you have. You are basically missing the very generative idea of how to trade, how to look for divergence, how to read sentiments, how to read news. You can be lucky on a 5 minute time frame, but you cannot be lucky all the time. And trading is, if you are trading based on luck, that's not trading, that's gambling. You trade what you know, what you see, what you understand. And I'm trading what I see and what I'm understanding. This is why you see me holding on to the sell for a reason, and there's no way in hell I'm gonna be get convinced by a guy who's opening buy lot sizes on a 5 minute time frame is ridiculous. Even the guys who are close to me, those I taught how to trade, they know exactly what to do on a 15 minute time frame using Fibonacci, how to utilize it. Bitcoin go down. Exactly. Exactly, my friends, exactly. Oh, we are just 24 subscribers away. Then we'll hit 2000. Nice. It's so relaxed with this trade. I will just stick on 1 hourly to show you guys how higher time frame is always suitable for you. Anyways, I see nobody's active on chat, so I'll just sit back and relax. This is ProWolfTrader, baby. Let's make money together. Crude oil is shipping up. 10 seconds for the New York Stock Exchange to open, and let's see what's happening, man. Okay, market open on the sell side. Holy shit. Sell side pressure. Here we go. It's a sell side pressure. Finger crossed. Here we go. Just hold on a second. I am there's a bit of problem with the stream. I am fixing it. Hold on a second, okay? Then I'll continue the stream. Eventually the price is showing rejection, so we are moving where we want to. Price is dropping down currently at 43.31 and we are going down, so just hold on a second and we'll be right there. The stream will be back on track. So be patient. As I was saying a few minutes ago, before I had a little bit problem that the price is exceeding downwards. We saw earlier price doing a rejection. It will keep on rejecting in this area. Why is that? Because this is what price does. Oh, not again. Please, not again. Fuck this shit, man. Give me a second. I don't know why this problem is happening all over again. If these problems keeps on happening again, I have to end the stream. So Bitcoin is dropping. Bitcoin is currently at 64,500. Crude oil is going up. We have news kicking in. Nasdaq 100 is showing rejection after a fake pull up, and look at the sell pressure at Nasdaq. The dollar index on the other hand is also showing upward momentum. So here we are. Wait a second, guys, I'm solving the issue. I have some problem with the eliminator. So if you're new to the channel, just like and subscribe the channel. Our trade is profitable. We are currently running at 300 pips profit, and I'm still holding off to some of the trades that I had on Friday. Plus I took some trades today in the Tokyo session, and we made 300 pips profit on that. Profit booked on those trades. So eventually we are smooth running on that trade. That's what's happening. Still solving the problem, and for some reason, holy shit, gold is dropping. Currently gold is at 43.22, and just about when I was waiting for this drop, my fucking eliminator gave up on me. Look at that beautiful drop. I wanted to show this on stream. Just hold on a second. Look at that drop on Bitcoin. Look at that pump on crude oil. Look at that pump on dollar index. This will be a nice liquidation drop. Nice liquidation. A straight drop. I knew this is gonna happen. Beautiful. Just I'm already there. I'm solving the issue. Just don't give up on me. All the guys who are still buying, they were buying, now they are selling. Stupid ass. They are not traders. They're fucking gamblers. Almost solving the problem. Almost solving the problem. Yen is extending declines. Is probably BOJ rate hike that's forcing the gold price down, followed up by Bitcoin going down, followed by silver going down. Everything is down. Bank of Japan did it again. Oh my god, what the hell is wrong with today, man? I'm just... Reboot and sell. I'm already in a sell, gibberish guy. I'm already on a sell. I'm trying to solve the damn fucking problem on my eliminator. You can probably see my screen. Just hold on, man. Hold on. Finally, it's dropping and my fucking stream has problem. As soon as it breaks below 4300, it's hallelujah. Hasta la vista, baby. See, you missed the entry today, PKP1. I think you're Paresh or I don't know who you are, what your name is properly, but you missed that time entry again. Bitcoin, look, crude oil is aggressively going. Okay, guys, the stream is back. Hold on a second, His stream is back, baby. See. Okay, good. It's working now. It's working. Finally, it's working. Opening, wait a second. Look at that drop on time gold. I'm so excited. I will fucking sue the market. This drop is so epic, man. Holy shit. Yeah, baby, the stream is back on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Here we are, back in the stream. Here we are. Can you guys hear me? Look at this drop. Beautiful drop. See, this was exactly what I was talking about. Okay, Pakistani PM is talking with Iraqi Foreign Minister Iran. They're cooking. Okay, baby, we are back on the stream. Our traders, look at that trade. Look at that beautiful entry. This is my personal entry at 43.44. By the way, the premium signal was shared and the price of entry on the premium was 43.55 to 43.60, and we took scalp profit 2 times on that. And this is the third trade that we are still on it, and he made another damn 200 pips profit on that. I was in that trade from 43.60 and we made somewhere between, holy shit, we made 400 pips profit. We made 400 pips profit on this. Dang. Look at this liquidation. Things are not looking good for US. Hormuz is not opening. The bearish divergence which I was talking about finally is falling in place. Here we are, baby. First our TP is at 42.74 and here we are melting towards that area. Nice. See? No, not again. Fuck this eliminator, man. Again. Again I have to solve this. I don't know why it's hanging up on me, probably because of some damn issue. I'm gonna switch at 1 hourly and I'm not going to switch that up then. It's just giving up on me a lot. This is happening so much. I don't know why it's always with me. Still solving the issue again. I'm solving the issue is happening again. I think whenever I switch the time frame, it just gives up on me. Oh. I'm solving the issue again, having a lot of issues. I'm giving it a last try. If it doesn't work, I'll end the stream. Although I should stream because everything is working out the way I want, but stream is not with me right now. Okay, it's opening now. Okay, here we go, here we go. Fuck you, Eliminator. So we are back actually. Here the price dropped down. I'm not gonna switch time frames because as soon as I do that, this fucking thing dies on me. So I will let this time frame be running, and hopefully, I hope everybody who left the stream will join shortly. We are doing really good. Our trade is holding on. We took profits. TP1 was taken. Let me share. Take profit 1 has been hit. Again, third time. Take profit 1 has been hit. The third time. And let's see how it goes. And this is the third time. 3x time. 3x. This is the third time we hit this area. So, oh my god. Yeah. Which is good. Which is good. Third, 3 times we hit this area. Thrice we took profit. You know how much that is? 240 pips, 3 times. That's nearly 720 pips. From Friday up till now, 3 trades. One on Friday, one this morning, and another one in the London section. तो अभी देखते हैं प्राइस का क्या हुआ. प्राइस गिरे ही जा रहा था. होपफुली अभी मज़ीद गिरेगा. अभी हम जिस लेवल पे खड़े हुए हैं यहाँ से प्राइस को मज़ीद गिरना है. मैंने कहा था कि 4350 और 4330 की साइकोलॉजिकल एरिया है. यहाँ से इंस्टीट्यूशनल ट्रेडर सेल करेंगे. और अब क्योंकि न्यूज़ भी इस तरह की आ रही है कि अब गिर जाएगा, इनसाइडर तो होगा इन्वॉल्व. सर्कमस्टांसेस बन रहे हैं. क्रूड ऑयल शिप्स पे अटैक हुआ है. क्रूड ऑयल चला गया ऊपर. क्रूड ऑयल ऑलमोस्ट $80 पर बैरल पहुंच गया है. और फ्यूचर्स जो है वो $90 पर बैरल पहुंच गया है. तो अभी सेलिंग प्रेशर नज़र आएगा. बैंक ऑफ जापान ने भी इंटरेस्ट रेट हाइक का सिग्नल दे दिया यूएस बैंक को, जिसके बाद यूएस बैंक को भी हाइक करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर ऐसा नहीं करता परेशानी उनके माथे आएगी. तो अभी हमें अब कुछ नहीं करना. हमारी ट्रेड चलिए, चलते रहने देते हैं इसको. और टेक प्रॉफिट हम कर चुके हैं. स्कैल्प स्विंग में हम 3 बार स्कैल्प कर चुके हैं. हमारा एंट्री एरिया था 4350 से 55 से लेकर 60 तक. हमने टेक प्रॉफिट किया है लगभग इसी एरिया को, इसी जोन को 43-36। तो हम लोग pretty much बुक्ड हैं, हमें कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी थी, हमने ना की, सब्र किया, सब्र का फल मीठा होता है, यहाँ खा भी रहे हैं और एक बार नहीं कई बार खाने को मिलेगा अगर आप भी पेशेंट रहेंगे तो। कोई नई चीज़ नहीं कर रहा, वही पुरानी चीज़ें, सब्र डेवलप करो थोड़ा बस, और कुछ भी नहीं। काफ़ी हद तक हम जिस एरिया में बैठे हुए हैं ना, यहाँ से अब प्राइस इनिशियली तौर पे नीचे ही गिरेगा, ठीक है, प्राइस विल ड्रॉप नाउ फ्रॉम दिस एरिया because this is the last area of support that we are facing. Once we are done, the story is over for the bulls. Let me check the news if we have something going on. Pakistani Foreign Minister discussed the Makkah agreement with Iran's foreign minister. It means that he is trying to put Iran's and Pakistan's called focus on the evolving situation in the region and efforts to promote peace and stability. Yeah. We have some interesting stuff going on. Thank you guys for tuning in and thank you for the likes and subs. Just for a reminder for you that the ProWolfTrader beginner batch 15 is starting from next month, 1st September. You guys still have 20 days to register yourself. Besides this, we have 14% off on all the premium packages. For ProWolfTrader, where you will get 2 to 5 signals daily with 88% win rate and daily and weekly analysis on gold, silver, platinum, crude oil, S&P 500, Nasdaq, crypto, forex currencies, and stay updated and make profit with ProWolfTrader community. We are looking forward towards CPI. We have CPI this week on Wednesday and PPI and unemployment claims on Thursday. Retail sales on Friday. Pretty much the market is preoccupied. We are looking for a 1,000 to 2,000 pip profit move daily. We already booked 700 profits for the day by scalping and still 1,000 TP1 trade loading on swing trade on gold. That's how we start our week with profits. And if you want to be the part of this community, just message me on Telegram and I'll secure a spot for you in the group. Just waiting for a final push down towards 4,300. Come on man, drop it already. I have to do what I do all the time, go on a full hourly. Hey, what's up? Cut. What's up, man? So apparently this is a nice area to reload. Just everything is just a sideways roller coaster. We are back in 43.50 and then we will drop down. Just an emotional roller coaster, man. I'm done. I'm probably gonna wait hours till I think Wednesday with my trade. Hopefully things will get better. It is actually already took 720 pips profit, so what do I have to lose over here? Nothing. Hey guys, it's been 2 hours 39 minutes since I'm streaming. I'm gonna call it off. And my trades are still running. I was scalping within this zone. Hey, what's up, Ilham? What's up, man? Uh, Bitcoin trade is running smoothly. Crude oil is still going up. Dollar index most likely rising. Nasdaq S&P 500 is on the red side. Pretty much, we are seeing some kind of sell side pressure. It's still forming. This is why we don't see any push. Eventually, you see it's back up again, but it's short lived since divergence is pushing the price down. Sooner or later, some news will drive the price downwards. I just say that if you are within the zone, reload. I'm reloading too on the sell, and let's finger crossed and hope that everything works out. So most likely this is a reloading zone. The candle will fade away. So let's see what happens. IM is still holding on. I'm opening more sell. Nasdaq is dropping. So yeah, let's see.